Just to show you a first approach of contact, in case we don't want to perform a connected mesh, or we don't want to waste time obtaining a congruent mesh. This case was easy because just setting the same size, we will have nodes in the same location. But imagine we have a dissimilar mesh, we set to the flanges a different for the web, we set a different size and even different type of element, 0.8. And now we mesh. You will see the results. You see that we don't have coincident nodes. So here, for these cases, we can define connections. So we will define contacts between first one for the web and the top flange. By default, we will define a glue contact. You have many other options which will be used for advanced if you want to set friction to be broken in some certain point, or included cohesion. You have other type of contacts, very easy to define. And in this case, we want to glue them. Okay, the boundary description is just to set, as we have plates, shells, to consider which of the faces, or consider thickness or not. In this case, we will ignore thickness. And for the bottom, for the top flange case, we will, as it's in the top, we will set that the contact will be at its bottom face. Okay, and we do the same for the other contact, but instead of the bottom, sorry, the top will be the bottom plane structural element, and we set it to the top. Okay, so I have here my contacts, this one and this one. The thing is, I had to redefine, as I told you, some of the conditions, the nodes. To here. Have them. I can change the size of some symbols here in configuration. This scale factor. So I just need to solve again. Check always the output. It will take more time as it's a non-linear, so you will have always to think about spending more time with the mesh, or let the computer more time of solving. And here we can check again our results, check stresses as well. Yeah, if the difference between average or non-average results are very big, that means that you have to refine your mesh. To check if the contacts are working or not, here, special results, which is the contact status. And you can check here, both edges are in contact. Well, you just check as well that when you plot results, they format all together. Stay tuned always in the virtual classroom. We'll keep you posted. Check forums, and you can send an email for any question. Thank you.